They say legends never die, and in the world of cars, that couldn't be more true. Today, we're counting down 10 classic cars that are still legendary, even decades later. From Hollywood icons to engineering masterpieces, these are the cars that shaped history and still make car lovers' hearts race. The 1 Ford Mustang, 1964, the birth of the pony car. It all started in 1964 when Ford introduced the Mustang. Affordable, stylish, and powerful, the Mustang defined an entire new category, the pony car. With its long hood and aggressive stance, it became a symbol of freedom. Even today, the Mustang is one of the most beloved cars in the world. Two Chevrolet Corvette Stingray, 1963. Few cars scream American legend like the Corvette Stingray. Its split rear window design in 1963 became instantly iconic. The Stingray combined beauty with raw V8 power, turning heads on streets and racetracks alike. It wasn't just a car, it was an American dream on wheels. Porsche 911, 1964. Since 1964, the Porsche 911 has been the heartbeat of sports car enthusiasts. Its timeless design, rear-engine layout, and precision handling created a cult following. And here's the thing, the 911 never went out of production. It evolved, but the soul of the original is still alive in every model today. 4. Ferrari 250 GTO, 1962. Some call it the greatest Ferrari ever made. With only 36 units produced, the Ferrari 250 GTO became the ultimate collector's dream. Today, it's worth over $70 million. But beyond its value, the GTO is legendary for its beauty and racing dominance in the early 60s. The 5. Volkswagen Beetle, 1938, but legendary in the 60s. Simple, reliable, and full of character, the Volkswagen Beetle became the people's car. From surfers in California to families in Europe, the Beetle was everywhere. It wasn't about speed, but about personality. Few cars have connected with people around the world the way the Beetle did. 6. Jaguar E-Type, 1961. Enzo Ferrari once called it the most beautiful car ever made. The Jaguar E-Type was pure elegance on wheels. Sleek lines, incredible performance, and that long, sexy hood made it a poster car for the 60s. Even today, it's one of the most admired designs in automotive history. 7. Aston Martin DB5, 1964. What do you think of when you hear Aston Martin? James Bond. The DB5 became immortal when it starred in the 1964 Bond film Goldfinger. Luxury, style, and British charm, the DB5 is more than a car. It's a cinematic icon that still represents sophistication today. 8. Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing, 1954. With its iconic gullwing doors and groundbreaking fuel injection, the Mercedes 300 SL was a car ahead of its time. It looked like it flew straight out of the future. And even today, it feels futuristic, rare, fast, and absolutely stunning. The 300 SL is pure legend. 9. Lamborghini Miura, 1966. If Ferrari made art, Lamborghini made rebellion. The Miura shocked the world in 1966 with its mid-engine design and jaw-dropping looks. Many call it the first true supercar. Without the Miura, modern Lamborghinis might never have existed. 10. Dodge Charger, 1969. Muscle, power, attitude. The Dodge Charger defined American muscle cars in the late 60s. Thanks to movies like Bullitt and shows like The Dukes of Hazzard, the Charger became a pop culture phenomenon. Its growl, its stance, its presence, its pure muscle car DNA. From the racetracks of Europe to the streets of America, these 10 cars didn't just transport people. They told stories, built dreams, and became legends. Even today, they inspire modern cars and fuel the passion of collectors worldwide. Which one of these classics is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me next time for more stories from the world of cars.